What's up? Welcome back, YouTube, to Ripper Rides. This is day 4. We've been working on the F-150. Dad, you want to tell us a little bit about what we're going to do today here on the front?
Okay, so these are the front rails, and so this requires epoxy and blind rivets, and so they're pretty large blind rivets. So we had to go out and buy a large riveter because your handymans that you buy at Home Depot won't do it. This is much bigger because the stem on the rivets are a lot bigger. And so we had to get this to fit. Oh, it's just over a quarter inch. So we had to get this to fit real good. We clamped it up. Then we drilled all of our holes for the rivets in here and down here as well, because it rivets onto here. It doesn't actually bolt, it rivets. And then when we had the holes all drilled, we took it off, put the epoxy on the back, stuck it on here. There's 2 bolts there to help us hold it. And then we just started riveting like crazy and riveted this all on here. And you got to kind of work fast because the epoxy, you only have a certain amount of time with the epoxy. So we're just kind of explaining this now because when we go over there, there's not going to be a whole lot of talking or explaining. There's just going to be a lot of grunting and sweating and trying to get that done over there.
So we're wired up, ready to go. Okay.
Good. Yes, really squeezing the epoxy out. That's great. Oh yeah. Okay. One more. Otra vez. Otra vez uno más. Qué bueno. Let's see here.
All right.
So
what we just did?
Oh my word.
Pretty good?
That's like strong. That's like factory. That's like factory.
Just oh there.
Oh, well, you got it on you, not me.
So what we just did with our rivet gun here, actually blind rivets, we took this front left fairing here and we put this thing on. We used rivets, these blind rivets with a couple bolts to put this on. We use this epoxy, this adhesive that comes from the factory with or in conjunction with these rivets.
Oh, yes.
Pretty good.
So I'm standing in line, you know, the 6-foot distance social thing, you know, because of the COVID thing. And I'm standing in line and I get up to the cash register and the drinks are all up here. And Stone Brewing Company, I look at this little case and I'm going, that's interesting. Wait a minute, that's us. They have a drink called Ripper. Pretty cool.
Ripper.
Huh? Ripper.
The Ripper.
I said, hey, they stole that. Ripper rides. So, but we don't drink and ride. So just to let you know.
Just rip.
Just
we
rip.
Rip and ride.
Rip. We just rip and ride.
All right, let's get started on this. Okay.
select.
What's that?
What?
What are you saying now?
I said, oh
you
man,
making it
I
up?
forgot. No, that's from my 7th grade German class.
Really?
It says, oh man, I forgot my notebook. That's what it says. Ach, zu Liebe, ich habe kein Heft mit, and I don't have my notebook. Anybody that speaks German is going to go, that guy's an idiot. Oh well.
All right, you guys, so we're on the way to the dealership right now. Wasn't expecting this. I don't know if you can see, it's kind of wet out there. Just a weird thing for Southern California because it never rains here. And then this year, we decided to work on a project and it rains almost the whole time that we're doing it. Kind of weird, but anyways, we're about to go get these parts here from the dealership. I just thought get on here, maybe put this in the video of just some thoughts that we have on some other things that we want to work on, some other projects. One of them being a side-by-side. That's what I have been thinking. We'll talk to Dad, we'll get his thoughts on our next project. But here in Southern California, we've got the desert, we've got the mountains, we have the beaches, but you're not allowed to ride on them. Only one left, maybe two. One that I know of, Pismo Beach up in Central California, in the Central Coast. That's one of the last. But anyways, we've got all these different terrains to be able to ride on here in California. So UTVs are king out here. They are all the rage, and it could be other places in the country they are too. I know they do this mudding thing with them, but really the dunes and the desert is legit. So that might be the next project, but could be some classics, could be some exotics, could be some imports. Don't know. We're still looking to see after this project what we want to do or what we're going to tackle next. But if you guys have any recommendations or anything you'd like us to do, comment below in the comments some suggestions, and maybe that'll be your comment or your suggestion will be our next project.